For today's video, we will be exploring the Japanese tunnel here in Davao City. On top of this tunnel, a resort has been built. There are accommodations here as well as restaurant. The guided tour in the Japanese tunnel is 50 pesos each person.
Kami lang.
Kayo lang lima po? Present natin yung ticket dito sa guard. You can take pictures, videos inside po. Dito po, right side po. So good afternoon. Ayun, day side po, your tour guide. So welcome po sa Japanese tunnel. So ayun, are you familiar with geisha po ba? So geisha, entertainer po yan in Japanese. So picture muna kayo dito po. Big face here, baby!
So keep right now, babe, sa right side.
Mga swallow bird lang po yan, mga swallow. Balik sa sayaw ng mga ibon. Yan ay mga swallow bird lang po yan. Yung mga nest nila sila, mga birds nest, so yung mga laway nila. Okay, maraming salamat. So ito, Japanese tunnel is one of the historical landmarks here in Davao City. So 1942 to 1944 po yung ginawa. So Filipino yung nag-build ditong tunnel. Sila po talaga yung nag-dig. Day and night sila nag-dig. So 85 years na itong tunnel and 1960 po ito na-discover during sa pag-develop nitong diversion road dito sa Davao City. So ito, gawa po siya sa adobe rocks. Kaya until now, napakatibay pa rin po na tunnel. Ito ay ginawa siyang shelter or taguan ng mga Japanese during World War II. Dito sila nagtago. Pero yung nagukay talaga nitong tunnel is yung mga Filipino. Kasi nung time na yun, is ginawang slaves yung mga Filipino ng mga Japanese. So ayun, when they discovered this tunnel, nakakita talaga sila ng mga gold, tsaka ng golden Buddha. Pero dito may darating tayong branches. Ito, prayer room, tsaka meeting room. So ayun, as what I said, na nakadiscover sila ng mga gold, 8 tons of gold, tsaka 12 inches real golden Buddha. Pero ito ang mga replica na nagputo kasi yung mga totoo, kinuha na po talaga dito. Wala na. You can take picture dito po. Ito yung meeting room nila dito. Yan is mga Cambodian gods po yan. Ninakaw ng mga Japanese, tsaka nilagay nila dito sa Philippines. So ito, meeting room po ito. Yung dalawang Japanese na sa dulo is an example po yan na nag-meeting sila. So when it comes to emergency, so may exit ulit po tayo dyan. Yung may screen po. Palabas na po yan ng diversion. Balik, dyan na po yung boundary na may-ari na. Ito yung mga actual height ng mga Japanese. Like 4'11", ang talaga yung height nila. Ito naman, cage or jail. So 5 to 6 person yung nakasya dito. Imagine, kasi nung time na yun, ikinulong yung mga Filipino dito. Ginawa silang mga slaves ng mga Japanese. Ang papayat nila. Hindi sila pinapakain hanggang sila ay mamatay.
Wow. Understand?
Yes.
A little bit?
So there, my lower area, that's why we,
Wait for daddy, wait for daddy.
nagsuot tayo ng hard hat because there's a lower
Hold him.
area. So this lower area, they use as a trap to the American people because American is so tall that nag-as sila. They are types of limestone na nabuo dito sa loob ng tunnel. So yung on the top, yung nasa taas is ang stalactite, on the ground is stalagmite, so yung tawag. So yung mga tubig na tumutulo, galing po yan sa ulan, so natural po yan. Kasi sa taas nitong building, there's no building and houses. Puro po mga kahoy, tsaka mga halaman.
Jordan,
So dahan-dahan lang, kasi po slippery. Ito talaga nitong tunnel is 7 kilometers. But the ownership of the management is 150 meters only. Yung ibang part is iba na po yung nagmamay-ari. Kasi it takes 100 of years pa bago sila mabuo.
Alam ko ano pa rin.
Picture mo kayo, face it dito.
Oh, it turns like that if you touch it.
red if you touch the limestone.
Pero makikita natin yung office ng commander. Yun yung last part, tsaka boundary ng the original version ng bala, the bullet. Yes.
Bullets.
So when they discovered this tunnel, they also discovered 50 caliber na baril. Tapos, ayun, nawala kasi ginilakaw ng isang tourist. This bala, mga props na lang din sa to. So when they discovered this cabinet, nakakita din sila ng dokoy money, mga other equipment pa nila. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I'm trapped.
Parking office ng commander. So makikita ninyo, there's a lot of coins there because they use it as wishing area or wishing room. Ginawa nilang wishing area or
Pwede
wishing
na
room.
mag-wish dyan.
Yes. So may story kasi behind that. May isang tourist na nag-wish and they came back after 2 years. Sabi niya yung wish niya is nagkatotoo.
Oh, really?
So
Okay,
ayan,
coins.
ginaya ng ibang tourists. They wish, they throw coins para mag-wish. They try. Baka nagbaka sakali sila.
Baka mag-wish come true.
Kasi maraming tourists dito na nag-tour na naka-wheelchair talaga sila. They use wheelchair inside the tunnel. Like other guests. That's why
that's why you got cement.
we put cement in this hallway. So that night, they use torch. And now we have electricity para sa maliwanag na picture. Dahan-dahan. They also discovered some skeleton.
Skeleton?
Yes. Because thousands of people, Filipino people, na nag-dig dito ang tunnel talaga. Day at night sila nag-dig. Kaya yun, halos wala na silang kain. They died here.
And that is the end of our guided tour. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!